Good morning. Good morning, world. So today is just going to be one of those mornings where I need to have breakfast and cook lunch at the same time. It's okay, there are days like that. Yesterday evening we had our Christmas gathering with work, so when I came home I was really tired and I wasn't really in the mood to cook something or prep something for today. So I'm gonna do it right now. Yeah. Just dropped the zucchini. I really don't have a lot left in the fridge, so I think it's always good to wait until you don't have a lot left to go grocery shopping, because that kind of makes you more conscious about what you have and what you can use up before buying something. So the thing that I'm gonna go for today, tempeh and vegetables. If I have enough time, I'm gonna cook a little bit of rice to go along with it. I think I can do it. I think I can pull it off. And I'm gonna pop this tempeh in the microwave because this is frozen. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave to defrost a bit. And in the meantime, I'm gonna start prepping and cooking vegetables. And in between, I think I can try to have some breakfast. So we'll see about that. Still not sure what I'm gonna have for breakfast, but I'm gonna focus on lunch first. Water for rice is already up for boiling, so things are going. It's possible to cook quick meals even if you're in a rush, and that is my goal, to buy takeout when I'm going to work as last as possible, as close to never. So we'll see if we're gonna pull it off this morning. I'm already cooking not one portion of rice, but two. So tomorrow I have lunch for work and I don't have to worry about it anymore. So this is gonna go in the boiling water. Lunch is ready. That's my lunch for 2 days, prepped in about 20 minutes. I have a few minutes left, so in the meantime, I just popped some oats in the microwave with frozen berries and a little bit of soy milk, so I have like some sort of little bit of porridge. And here in this cup, I have some lemon tea with fresh ginger. I'm trying to recover from a cold. I think you can probably tell from my voice. So my coffee intake has been reduced the past few days, and I've been trying to drink more tea or herbal tea, and fresh ginger gives it like an extra kick. Some days are just busier than others, and that's okay. It's all about the attitude and mindset. Yeah, I know sometimes we stress ourselves over the tiniest, littlest things. So I'm trying to, not focus on that. Some days are just busier, messier, more chaotic than others, and that is perfectly fine. So if today I have to stand in my kitchen and quickly eat breakfast in like 5 minutes because my day is gonna be super busy, I try to look at the bright side. I prepped lunch for 2 days in about 20 minutes, so it's okay. And my kitchen's a mess. I'm just trying not to focus on that. We're humans, so we need to cut ourselves some slack because nobody else will if we don't. Well, hello there. It's almost 8 p.m. and I don't don't know how, but somehow this day flew by and it was just full of things to do. After work, I had a few things on my to-do list that I needed to get done. I had my therapy session, and then I talked to my mom on the phone, and I just came back from the grocery store. So I really had a full day. Now what I'm gonna do is to quickly tidy up the kitchen because it's a mess, and honestly I can't cook with this mess. And then I'm going to quickly whip up some dinner. I am thinking of something easy but still nutritious and healthy, but quick to do. I think I'm just gonna throw a bunch of ingredients into a pot with some vegetable broth and call it a soup. I have spring onion, carrots, 1 zucchini, and like 2-3 tiny potatoes. And my main ingredient tonight is gonna be udons. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.